I was facing issues while editing my 4K videos, so I've decided to upgrade my RAM from 32 GB to 64 GB. For that, I have opted for Gskill Triedent Z RGB 32 GB kit. So let's see how it looks from inside. While opening the package, this is the invoice you will get. Let me just quickly unbox it and see how the RAM looks from inside. So on top you will get this Gskill card and our 2 pair of RAMs with a Gskill sticker inside it. Let me just quickly hold it, and it feels really premium. If I compare it with my old RAM, this one looks really good and heavy in a good way. On this side of the RAM you will get to see some information like model number and manufacturing date. Make sure you check the model number mentioned on the RAM with the model number on the box and bill in order to avoid any warranty issues. So let's just quickly install this RAM on my PC and see how does it perform with the 64 gigs of RAM. So firstly we have to remove the old RAMs. Whenever you install RAM on your PC, make sure you fill the second and fourth slot first, then you will go with the first and third slot. That's how you install your RAM in your system in an optimized way. One more important thing, you get lifetime of warranty with this RAM. So if anything happened to your RAM, you can easily get it replaced from the service center or get it repaired if it is repairable. We are almost done installing this RAM in our system. I'll just power on my system. So this is how my system looks. It looks so amazing. The colors on the RAM look so good and synced with the motherboard. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.